Get paid for every square foot, mile, or any kind of characteristic of the property. So you go to your scheduler and you set pricing rules. And these are pricing adjustments based upon the property's characteristics like square foot, miles, the property age, or any type of factor you want. Like Curtis suggested crawl space, charge more for crawl spaces. Let me show you what it looks like. It's totally customizable. You can toggle these on and off and add them to any inspection service. So if it's a property age, you want to charge more for older homes, we've got it. Square footage, you want to charge more for bigger homes, we've got that. Travel distance, where you've got Google Maps and Apple Maps integrated with every inspection, so you can figure out travel time. And if it's over a certain distance, maybe you want to charge per mile. And then you can do anything. You can charge more for like crawl spaces, foundation types, or maybe a detached garage or a barn, or you can add factoring adjustments that go low, that can subtract from it. So whatever you want to do, it's totally customizable. However you want to adjust the prices of your inspection fees, we've got it integrated with the InternetG's inspection software.